Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to get a QR code for Facebook page 2024. Open your Facebook, go to three dots of your profile. The page name is Jordan Clothing. Okay, these are abouts of page. Go to search bar and tap QR code. You just simply tap the simple QR code. Okay, click the one. Yes, click it first one. Now allow to camera, and second you are seeing my code, click on my code. So this is your QR code. This is how you will get QR code on your Facebook in 2024. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.